Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I made a potato dish using only two ingredients, which is very yummy and very tasty. Please do make it at home and enjoy with your friends and family. So here what this looks so yummy and it goes very well with rice or with chapati. So here I have taken one bowl of boiled potato. I have boiled the potato with little bit of salt. So guys, I really love potatoes potatoes in a bowl, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend the red chilies and the garlic. I'm going to blend it into a fine paste. So here I put the red chilies, see it's already become softened, and also the garlic, and then I will add little bit of water, the water where I have soaked the chilies, that water I'll put, and I'm going to blend it into a fine paste. And see how nice and red color it is looking. These chilies are Kashmiri chilies, which are red color but yet not so spicy, just medium spicy. In the same pan I'm going to add one more spoon of oil, and once the oil is heated, I am going to add half a teaspoon of nigella seeds or black cumin, and also I am going to add few curry leaves. So friends, curry leaves gives a very nice aroma to the dish. In South India we do use curry leaves a lot. It is also called magic leaves. It's very good for our hair, skin and etc. So fry this mixture very nicely for about 2 to 3 minutes, and once the mixture is fried nicely, you can add the boiled fried potatoes. So friends, see I have added these fried potatoes, and now I'm going to mix it very nicely so all the spices gets covered into the potatoes. See friends how nice and colorful is looking. So I'm going to cover it with the lid for like 5 minutes. It doesn't take more time because the potatoes are already boiled. So friends, see, already it's done. It's looking very nice and colored full. See, red color, and yet so nice flavor is coming out. I am like so tempted to eat. Now I'm going to add here some fresh coriander, chopped coriander leaves. See friends, I did not add any water. If you want gravy, you can add little bit of water, but no water. So it's been done friends. Thank you so much for watching.